Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I have a project share for a Valentine's Girl Night Out themed swap that I'm in with the Facebook craft group, the Happy Crafters. They gave us a choice of a few things to make sure. I'll just share what I created. I used some of the paper from this Recollections paper pad. It was one of the Valentine's Day sale papers, and all the papers in here are embossed. I also used this Galentine's 6x6 paper pad, and it's double-sided. And then I used paper from this Recollections 12x12 Girl Squad paper pad, and it is also double-sided. So the first things I created are these two cards. My card base is one of these little lip cards that I've hauled from TJ Maxx. Then I used this frame die. I have a heart doily in the back, and then the silver thing that's popping this up is one of these Recollections wedding stickers, and I found these in the clearance at Michael's. And then I have a chipboard sticker, and that's from one of these Mambi packs here, and it's 4 sheets, and it's a friend pack, and this is what it looks like. And then I did a cutout from the larger paper pad, and then this is a just a sheet of the paper that I die cut. And this one is kind of the same thing. I just fussy cut that from the paper pad. That's another one of those wedding stickers, and then a heart doily, and then a chipboard piece from that sticker pack. And that's how the two cards came out. The next thing that I created is 4 rosettes. I used this Spellbinders coffee die, and it's Hipster 1 S2 212. And I just did the coffee cups on the 6x6 paper pad that had the washi. Then I have that's a wedding sticker in the background, and then that little heart also came from that wedding sticker pack. And then I have a Dollar Tree word, and that's one of those chipboard pieces, and then the banner from the coffee set. And this little gem piece came from the center of this rosette, and these rosettes are the ones that you can get from Michael's. They come about 6 in a pack. And then this little white piece here is actually one of these little stickers that I got from Michael's, and I just pulled it apart and put it in the back of that coffee cup. So those are my 4 rosette embellishments. Second thing that I created are these 2 pocket tags. I cut these tags using this Stamps of Life pocket tag die, and this is Stephanie Bernard. These little bows on the front come from this Sizzix framelits die, and it's 662263, and this is also Stephanie Bernard. This is the banner from that coffee die. There's a Dollar Tree sticker, and then the insert is actually a tag that I had in my stash. I just cut it down to the size of the pocket. This bow comes from this topper die, and I just cut it off of the topper. Then there's a little heart sticker, and I just use a sticker on the back to cover up the hole in that tag. Then I just put a hole reinforcer and some ribbon, and then that's the other piece of that of this die. And then there's some embossed paper on the back, and that's how it looks on the back. And then this one I did the same thing, and there's the insert for that one, and that's just another tag that I cut down to fit inside this pocket. And the packaging for these tags looks like this. I fussy cut another one of those hearts from the paper pad. I got this crown and little wand from a sticker set from Dollar General, and the topper is from a piece of that embossed paper, has hearts on it, and I used this little topper die. The next thing that I included is one of these little treat sacks, and these are from Walmart, and it says I like you a whole latte. And in here I've included some cutouts. There's some of those little stickers from Dollar General. There are some die cuts. There's a bestie, some lips. There's a heart tag, and those come from Joann's. And there's a little martini glass, and then these little memory decks note cards. I got those in a swap. There's also some little puffy stickers. There's a heel die cut, and some more of those heart tags. And those die cuts come from this pack here, and this is Recollections Valentine's Day, and that came from Michael's. And I've also included some of these little clips. They have these little wine bottles with glitter, and they say Ladies Night and Girls Power. And this came in a 4-pack, and it came from Walmart. I just cut the pack in half and put a topper from that same little treat topper die, and then I fussy cut one of the little cutouts from the smaller 6x6 pad and use these decorative scissors for the edge. There's a felt sticker and another little sticker in the pack, and that's how they look. And again, this is my swap for the Facebook craft group, the Happy Crafters. It's a Valentine Girls Night Out themed swap. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.